Hello again and welcome to Learn Fucking Math or LFM. Now let's get to the learning of shit. Today we are going to talk about the different ways to tell that triangles are congruent. That's a little congruent sign. That's a triangle, not to be confused with the Spanish hat that makes a ñ sound. This is not equals. It's congruent. So, there are really a few basic ways to tell triangles are congruent. And let's start with side, 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 or SSS. This is pretty damn self-explanatory. What that means is that this side right here is congruent to this side. This side is congruent to that side, and that side is congruent to that side. If two triangles have all three sides congruent to their corresponding sides, so for example side 1 to side 1, side 2 to side 2, and side 3 to side 3, then these two triangles are congruent. Congruent means they are the exact same in every possible way. Next, we have, with these two triangles, a side angle side. Look, it's a side angle side sandwich. It's a sandwich of an angle right here. And essentially what that means is that this side is congruent to this side. This angle right here is congruent to this angle. And this side is congruent to this side. Side, angle, side. The angle must be sandwiched between the two sides in order for it to be congruent. If you had two triangles and you had side, 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 angle up here, you would not be able to tell that these two triangles are congruent because these angles could be different right here, just like that. Lastly, we have what is known as angle, side, angle. And this is a side sandwich between two angles. So an angle here, and an angle here, an angle here, and an angle here. And that means that this side must be the side that is congruent. The reason this works is because when you have two angles, knowing that all triangles equal 180 degrees, that means that that third angle, no matter what, is congruent to itself, its counterpart. When you have three congruent angles and one congruent side, that means that these triangles are no longer similar. They are actually congruent because the side dictates the size of the triangle. So hopefully there, all this and sass and assa will help. Also, one thing to remember, ass does not tell you that two triangles are congruent. Just like this. Ass, ass, ass. These triangles are no congruente. So, no ass. Just side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle.